Will Tesla solve Nvidia's bottleneck? And what about the CYBERTRUCK's FSD? Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci.com here with a special video on Tesla. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
I think it's cool that Tesla is trying to make Ethernet faster than InfiniBand hardware, which is a major bottleneck for NVIDIA superclusters. I saw that Greg or Chuck went to his service center and had them force the update, but I'm patient and will wait for it to come naturally. I think it's awesome that Tesla is working on Park Assist, especially since the Cybertruck doesn't have the sensor suite. I'm excited to see how it will work, and I think it's reasonable to raise questions about the complexity of porting FSD to the Cybertruck. I think the steer-by-wire aspect and the variable steering are part of the complexity involved. The front camera placement is also a new variable that the Autopilot team needs to consider. I think the Autopilot team is smaller than people think, with around 120-200 engineers, and they don't have an insane team size. I'm looking forward to seeing how the Park Assist feature will work, especially since the Cybertruck is a large vehicle. As Tesla ramps up shipments, I think more assist features will be necessary, especially for new owners who may not be familiar with driving a large vehicle. I saw the video of the new AI training supercluster being built at Tesla's headquarters in Austin, and I think it's impressive. Elon's caption mentioned that it's being built to solve real-world AI problems. I noticed that the building isn't finished, but the inside is already being used. I assume it's still in the configuration process, and it will be interesting to see how it will be used. I think it's staggering what Tesla is doing, and they don't get enough credit for the little details. They patented a new way to transfer data and gave it to the foundation that owns Ethernet. I think Elon's involvement in the construction of data centers will help Tesla's construction process. The TTPO technology is cool, and it's a custom solution that eliminates steps from the data transfer process. I think Tesla is moving in the right direction by trying to make Ethernet faster than InfiniBand hardware. Jim Keller pointed out that custom siloed network protocols always lose to Ethernet in the long run. I'm not sure if the supercomputer cluster at Tesla or XIE uses TTPO, but it's a technology that Tesla is moving forward with aggressively. The Dojo cluster is now operational, and Tesla is continuing to develop its own chips and hardware to operate an AI powerhouse supercomputer. This will put pressure on NVIDIA to stay competitive. I think Jensen has done a phenomenal job of outpacing Elon and Tesla's efforts on this front, but that may not always be the case. I'm excited to see how this will play out, and I think it's an interesting time for the industry. I think the semi-truck with LiDAR on it is also an interesting development, and I'm curious to see how it will be used for ground truth data collection. I think the Cybertruck's size and shape will present some unique challenges for the Autopilot team, but I'm confident that they will be able to overcome them. I'm looking forward to seeing how the Park Assist feature will work, and I think it's an important step towards making the Cybertruck more user-friendly. I think Tesla is doing some amazing things, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for the company. I think the TTPO technology is just one example of the innovative solutions that Tesla is developing, and I'm curious to see how it will be used in the future.
Tesla, another week. Tesla ended up the day 8.5% to the downside on Friday. This is how it looks. We're still inside this trend, short-term uptrend, but breaking below the 205 needs to hold the 201. Below the 201, we are back to the 180 area. 205 on the weekly needs to hold, otherwise 190. Look at this. In the past 3 weeks, Tesla tried and failed. Even more, in the past 6 trading weeks, 1, 2, 3 attempts to break and stay above the upper border of the yellow zone, above the 220, failed. Now the 205 and 189 needs to hold on Tesla, otherwise 170 and back to April's lows at the 138. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you found it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe. Check the links in the description below for further information. Until the next video, stay safe.